Welcome back. And today I'm going to be talking about this device right here. Do you know what this is? This is a MAD card reader. You know, the machine you beat up instead of use. You are only supposed to insert the card or slide the card. Now let's see how to use it. Now let's see how not to use it. Now, you don't have to do any of that. When you put your card in there, if you do the main thing that everybody does every day, read. When you put your card in there, it says reinsert card or try another form of payment if it don't work the first time. When you try it the second time and it doesn't work, it says swipe card or try another form of payment. If y'all read that, it will help y'all so much.